Keller Estate is comprised of about 600 acres of property, only 90 of which are planted to vine. And we produce Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, Pinot Gris, and Syrah. So definitely Petaluma Gap is a cooler growing region, so we tend to have more heightened acidity, or vibrancy is what we prefer to call it. And because of the winds that are pulled off the Pacific Ocean through the Petaluma Gap, we tend to have thicker skins, and those thicker skins tend to produce more intense flavors, more structure, bigger wines. So you have this beautiful combination of, you just want to sit and smell the wine, the aromatics of the wine, but that carries through onto the palate, and they're just rich and beautiful wines to enjoy.
One of the things that I think is special about Keller Estate is that we are constantly looking for ways to work with nature, not against nature. We have over 200 sheep that naturally mow and fertilize our vines, and we move them from block to block. We have a number of bees on site, so we do have a bee colony. We produce our own honey on site, but the bees, of course, are the pollinators for our property, and that is actually something very important to Anna Keller. She's a big proponent of saving the bees and working with bee colonies, so I love that, and the honey is delicious. What I love is when guests approach us and they want to share a special moment, they want to celebrate with their family or friends. I love putting together an event for them that I know is going to be memorable for them for the rest of their lives. Everything is designed specifically with the guest in mind to make it a really special occasion.